Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, the 28th of August 2018. This is just my daily video where I show what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the Mod MACD trading method and also the high probability trading method. Fairly quiet sort of start to the day, and once again I forgot to do my weekly video last night, so it'll be a task for today. Geez, I'm hopeless with that, I'll tell you. Alright, let's have a look at the charts. As I said, fairly quiet. We'll start with the Mod MACD daily. Only two bits of action this morning. This is the pound yen. We're in a sell back here this morning. I've had a confirmed cross of the fast MACD, so this sell is no longer valid. It's been closed for an overall profit, nice profit at that. So no longer in the sell. Again, there's a new buy signal this morning. I'm trying something different, as I keep on saying. I haven't taken this buy trade, even though it qualifies as a setup. I'm just trying a different filter in the background. I just want to see how it goes, so I've just drawn these lines to give me an idea if I'm doing myself a disservice or not. So at the moment, no trade on the pound yen, close the sell. And the same applies to the pound USD in a sell back here this morning. Confirmed cross of the fast MACD, therefore closed out the remaining sell trade, overall profit. And again, there's a buy trade signal there, and it's a valid signal. However, I haven't taken it. Again, I've drawn a line there. There'll be more on this later. I know it's probably a little bit frustrating, especially when I look through some of the signals I've received recently. It kept on going, but anyway, that's what I'm doing at the moment. Let's switch over to the daily high probability charts. A bit more action on them, but it's just more trade management. There's no new trades this morning at all. So like usual, here's all the pairs I'm trading. If I've done something on them, I move them over to the right here, which is why there's gaps everywhere. And if they're extended like this, that means there's an open trade on those particular pairs. So the ones that are small, no trade. So let's have a look. We'll start with the Euro Swiss franc. In a buy trade back here, this morning I have closed half of this buy trade and brought my stop. You can't see it, but it's just above the entry level there. The reasons why we've got, it was a high risk trade initially because it's going against MAs. We've got bearish JAGfx RD, and the MACD is close to the zero level, or the blue dotted line's already through and the orangey line's getting close. So just reducing risk there, taking half of that buy off the table and putting a stop in place at basically just a point of entry. So a little bit of profit there, can't lose. Euro Aussie, we're in a buy back here, already closed half. Just jammed my stop up a lot tighter this morning, so I moved my stop up to 1.58212. And I missed a trade there somewhere. I forgot to. Yep, I forgot one. So that's a Euro Aussie. Stop moved up on that buy, locking in profit. And I forgot one. This one, Euro, should be in here too. Looking, I've got notes to my right, that's why you always see me looking down. Same deal on the Euro. We're in a buy back here. Already closed half, already moved this morning. I just moved my stop up to 1.15133, so that's a stop there, locking in profit. As you can see, prices into the MAs. It was a high risk trade in a downtrend. We've got bearish JAGfx RD, MACD is well and truly through the zero level, so I'm just going to trail this stop up and keep it a little bit tighter. Alright, we'll let it whack now. Euro yen, you can see a theme here, a lot of euro pairs involved. Same deal, we're in a buy trade here. It was against the trend, so it's a high risk trade. This morning we're through, definitely through the zero on the MACD. JAGfx, bearish JAGfx RD, into the MAs, So all I've done is tighten up my stop. We've already closed half. Tighten up my stop to 128.699. So just jamming my stop up behind to lock in that profit. Euro New Zealand. I'm going to buy from back here and also in a sell in this area here. Sell's not going that well, but no big deal. All I've done with the buy is move my stop right up to this level here. So there is a blue dot here, and I could probably, and a green dot on the QMP filter, so I probably could have closed my sell trade on the Euro New Zealand, but I decided to keep it open because I'm covered. It's covered by this old buy trade. At the moment, in dollar terms, I think the buy trade's probably worth about $60. Mine is about $10 in swap, which I've got to watch because the swap's starting to build up a little bit, the overnight interest rate, but the sells against me minus $30. So I'm plus 20 in this whole setup, even though. So I'm just jamming my stop up on the buy up to 1.73456. So that's all I've done this morning, move the stop on the buy trade to Euro New Zealand. And finally, the USD Singapore dollar in a sell here, in this area here. High risk trade going back to the MAs. So now prices on the MAs. MACD's through the zero level, well and truly. Want to reduce my risk ASAP. So I've closed half my sell trade this morning, taking a little bit of profit there, and moved my stop down just above this high here. So my stop's now at 1.37466. So just locking a little bit of profit there, being smart about it. Yeah, it could continue on down, that's good. I've still got half a trade on. I'll just keep an eye on the MACD, but that's all right. So that's it for this morning, guys. I'll get on to that weekly video. I can't believe I've forgotten the game. I thought I was back on track with them, but anyway, I might have to change that date or something. So enjoy your day. Looks like it's still pretty quiet. As I said previously, there's not much news, as in high impact news, until tomorrow. You know, and there's really not that much news this week at all. So if you like these videos, please subscribe, and obviously everyone that's not already a member, feel free to join. You're more than welcome to join the JAGfx private Facebook group, and at least hit the like button. Good on you. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll chat later. Cheers.